Hereditary habits of a bird wasn't enough. I had to become a bird. At first, it was just the costume, but now I have a better solution.
The Manimal Ooze!
Let the final transformation begin!
So be it, Kookaburra. To the death, then. A real superhero battle. Ugh, gross.
Kevin, is that you, buddy? Please help me.
No! Get out of my hand, Pissy Chrissy!
Christopher, I'm gonna do something I should have done a long time ago.
This is the end of Koala Man!
One bathroom pass for Christopher!
Oh, this is just one of your tricks. This isn't an official pass.
No, it's official. You can go to the bathroom.
Really? I'm allowed to go wee-wees?
Yep, let it rip, mate. It's time.
I don't know if I can. It's been so long,
Just close your eyes and think of the most soothing memory you have. That's what I do to relax my urethra.